Let's go ahead and finish this problem up. The 12s cancel, so I'm left with k squared plus 8k, which is not an option, okay? But if I common factor a k, now typically when you have an equation, the only number you set it equal to is 0 for the zero product property. So that would give me k equals 0, which is part of my domain restriction, so that's not going to be allowed. Also, the question didn't say select all that apply, so you could only look for one correct answer. So we're looking for k plus 8, and there really is no reason they reversed it. 8 plus k is the same mathematically. All right, let's look at the last question. They give us a table. They tell us that R is the rate, R is the people, sorry. The rate that they enter the stadium, which of the following is accurate? So unfortunately, we have to go through all of them unless we can eliminate them quicker. Okay, so t equals 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. The instantaneous rate of change is approximately 2 people per second. Well, we look at 60 seconds, and it's really about 5, because if I do my y divided by x, it's about 5 people per second, okay, at that instant. So we're going to say that that is false. Number 2, the instantaneous rate of change at t equals 15 seconds, which would be about right there, is 5 people per second per second. So notice this label changed because they're actually finding a slope of these values. Every time you do a derivative, it's like per second, per second, per second of the label. So because I don't have 15 seconds, I can only use the interval where 15 would fall. So we're going to do y minus y all over x minus x, sorry, 0. So what do we get? 150 divided by 30 is 5, and it would be 5 people per second, or per second squared. So that one is true. All right, so we can get rid of, we actually don't even have to check number 3 because of our option choices. Now this might have said 2 and 3 only, which I kind of wish it did. But let's go over why number 3 is false. So at t equals 90 seconds, more people are entering the stadium than at any other time over the first 2.5 minutes. So the table is 2.5 minutes, but this is the key. All right, so it says then any other time. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 specific times listed. I can't tell what's happening at 75 seconds or 123 seconds. So we can't assume anything. If I was given more information in the directions, like the highest and lowest values are given, things like that, then I could. But at, let's say 91 seconds, what if I went to 365 people per second? Well, then that would be the fastest. So even though it seems like that would be the highest, we can't assume anything else based on the information that's given. Okay, so that is why number 3 is false. And that's kind of a common error that students might fall into. All right, and so it really is 2 only. Okay, so on your problems, go ahead and give these a try. I do want you to try at least 3 of these problems, and I do only give you 4, and they're pretty straightforward. Okay, I wanted to do more examples with you just to see how questions might be written, but go ahead.